Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd, 2008. Hedge fund investors are expected to sell off $140 billion in private equity investments in the next 1.5 years. According to a report from the Financial Times, pension funds, endowments, banks, and insurance companies are all set to liquidate their PE portfolios as their value declines. And staying with hedge fund news, London Diversified Fund, one of the largest hedge funds in London, has temporarily suspended redemptions. Financial News reports that the company has declined to elaborate on the decision to impose restrictions, but said it would seek to remove the suspension as soon as possible. And in more hedge fund news, Swedish fund manager East Capital has reduced its staff by 1/5 following a 70% slide in its core equity market of Russia over the past 2 months. Financial News reports it is laying off 40 employees out of a total 225. The Stockholm-based manager said 20 jobs in Sweden would be affected and the remainder in its international offices. And in other hedge fund news, international law firm Kirkland & Ellis will increase its private equity practice in Asia by adding 3 partners in its Hong Kong office. Finance Asia reports that the firm will hire 1 new employee and transfer 2 from other offices. Justin Dalling is being relocated from London and Albert Cho from New York. And that rounds out your hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.